Let me introduce the new software. Have two functions. One is hair removal and one is skin rejuvenation. Hair removal. Hair removal have two modes. One is smart and one is expert. Smart. You choose the male or female. If you choose female, there are 6 skin types and treatment areas based on customer's choice. For example, this, and we are doing this. Directly going to this interface, and from this interface, here is all programmed. No need to adjust. Based on the treatment feeling, it can have the slight adjust. Slight adjust also from here, but no more. Okay, when adjustment, and you can make the device begin to work. Let's get back. For example, this here, the treatment data will be different, and this document is for saving the programmed clinical data. Let's get to this interface. This one is expert. From the expert, all the parameters could be adjustment. For example, the power. Here, and begin that, and we can press, and that's the device to working. Let me introduce the skin rejuvenation. The skin rejuvenation only used for blend lasers. This is treatment areas. For example, we are doing the face. At this interface, the duration couldn't be adjusted. It's not just the power, frequency should be adjusted, and let the device begin to work. And here is the setting system. Don't need to adjust. If the device have any problems, please contact with me and I will show you how to adjust from here.